Hello everyone, welcome to the Python tutorial series. Today we learn how to slice index number. It means how to work with index number, how to play with index number. So let's start. First of all, we define a variable that's name is digits and is equal to a list. List is a random number. Okay, this is the random number list. Is the number of element is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, if you want to print a element, so what you type print and digits and element number 2. So 2 is the index number, this 2 is the index number. If you run this program, the result is 2 because index number of 12 is 0, 1 is 1 and 2 is 2. That's why he print 2. If we index number is 0 and we run, the result is obvious 12, result is 12. So that's why this is the, in this bracket, this is the index number. We call any element from the index number. What happen if we put in negative value like -5? Let's check. -5 means 5. Let's put another -3. Okay, -3 means 4. What happen if you positive index number he count from here, if negative in index number he count from here. If -3 means 4, it means 1 2 3. Okay, when you when you type in negative index number, he is starting from 1. When you positive, he is starting from 0 1 2. Okay, what happen if we put here minus len? I tell you what is the len in bracket digit and close. What is this? Len means len count the number of elements. The number of element is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and the digit value is 12. It means -12. -12 means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 12. So result is 12. Let's check. Result is 12. Okay, if we print here not 12 15, now check. Result is 15 because we count minus for index number count from here starting from 1. Len means the number of element 12 and digit is 12. The minus is, it means -12 index number. Okay, what happen if we provide, if we type here colon 3? Let's run then explain. When we type colon 3, it means he write the first 3 characters, first 3 elements. Okay, if we type 0 colon 3, it means same as 0 from 0 index number to 3 index number, same. Okay, if we type here 1, it means index number from 1 to 3. Okay, what happen if we provide value -1 1 to 1? Run then explain. Okay, when 1 is 0 1, index number 1 is this and -1 index is this. So between this to this is the print, the result, because this is the range. We take the 1 minus from the range, so he provide from here to here value. Okay, what happen if we type 5 and then colon? Okay, run then check. 5 means after 5, 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 7 is the index number 7 of 5, so starting from 5 to end he print this. Okay, if we type 0 colon 10 colon 1, you know that 0 means index number 0, 10 means range, this is the range 0 to 10, 0 to 10, this is the index number. 1 means he jump 1 1 1, he print between this value. You understand when the next example is run. Okay, something error because the bracket is removed. Okay, then again run. Now he print from 15 to 4 because these are the range from 0 to 10. But what is the meaning of 1? So you can understand if we change the 1 into 2. Now check. He jumped 15, then jumped 2, jumped 4, jumped 9, jumped 6, like that. If we put here 3, he jumped from 15 to 3, 3 to 9, 9 to 4. For example, 3, like that. Now you understand, for interval, some interval you want to display the element, that's why put this. Now what happen if we provide 2 colon and values minus 2? Think you have 3 seconds, 3 2 1, run and check. Okay, minus 2 is the minus 2 means after minus 2 he consider all. So 1 2 3 4 0 1 minus 2 you understand clearly. If you value put before the first colon is the range starting from, and the between the colon run range, but after 2 colon is the interval. So interval after 46 is 4, then 5, then 7, then this, like that. Okay. Okay, if we provide if we give a range, like let's check, we give a range for I in range, and range we provide len digit. Okay, I will explain. And the print digit 0 colon I. Think about what happen if we provide, if you type this. Okay, first of all, range. What is range? Range of I variable is till these 1 2 3 12. Len number of character, len means number of character in digit list, so 12. So range I range is 0 to 12. Okay, he print first of all 0, index number 0 to 1, it means he print 15. Then 0 to 2, he print 15 and 1. Then he print like that, print 15, print 15 1, print 15 2 till the range. Let's check. Now you can check here. When the value I is 0, he print nothing. When I value is 1, he print 15. When I value is 2, he print this till 12, because we range have 12 till 12. So you can create like this data. Okay, if what happen if we put I is replaced by I, 0 is replaced by I, and I plus 3, run, you can put. Let's check. I value is 1, it means starting from 1. Okay, I value is 0, sorry, starting 0, 0 is 15, and the range is I plus 3, it means I plus 3 means 0 1 and 2. So 15 1 and 2, he print 15 1 2, like that. But when the index number is, when the list number is decreased, then he like that. You can change these things, and I plus 1, run, you can make different type of data. So this is the trick, or this is how we play with index number, and more logics you put in this thing, and you provide this type of data, and you can play with this type of data. So this is all about the index number. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and click on bell icon, and like my Facebook page, facebook.com/Codium, and my Instagram Codium. Please, thank you very much.